Oh, friends, see. But me no say what my oh, boy, la papa. What's a wana jevenia? What's a wana jevenia? Why are friends so wicked? Why are some people very, very wicked? Why? How can you buy the finger that fed you? How can you hurt people that gave you shit? Hello everyone, welcome back to Obidia TV. It's me again, your sister, your friend, your girl, Obidia Wanyoma. Thank you so much for always coming back. I appreciate you for tuning in today again. Thank you so much. God bless you. So guys, in today's video, we are going to be talking about wicked friends. Okay? Yes. Today's video now about wicked friends. So this story is a life story of a lady, what a friend did to her. Very, very, very wicked friend. So this lady said that she and this her friend, they have been friends for very, very long time, right from Nigeria. Okay? This sister that brought this story for me, when she entered Europe, she was the one that looked for someone to bring a friend from Africa to Europe. Their friendship is close to 20 years. So 20 years, my people. Not be 20 days, not be 20 weeks, not be 20 months. 20 years relationship. He said people even believe their sisters. Anytime she said they are friends, people don't believe, to the point that okay, they now call themselves sisters. They wear the same clothes, they do everything together, they don't hide anything from each other, they do things together. She said, I wish it's even possible they would have even married the same man together. Their friendship was like this. They were not even 5 and 6, they were 6 and 6. When she was telling me the story, she was smiling, you know, when she was telling me how they start. But how they end, she cried very, very much for it. So, he said they are big together. So when that her friend came to Europe, after she settled somebody that brought her, so then I start living together and all that. You understand? Just like a sister. Then later, her friend said she find a man that want to marry her. So she now said, okay, my friend, I'm happy for you. No problem. She now relocates to go and meet that man. So she now look for a smaller place because it's not only her living. You understand? So she now look for a smaller apartment. So her friend, everything was fine. She got married with the man. You know, they have a baby. Just few months after having a baby, she now discovered that the man have wife and children. That means the man was lying to her that he's not married. So as she discovered that the man has a wife and children, problem starts. The man even ran, leave the girl and the newborn baby. Then she now called this her friend. My friend, things are hard. I just newborn and the man has run away. She cannot pay for the apartment because she's not working. She don't know what to do. They said she was frustrated and all that. Then her friend, I said, you are my sister. If you are still okay, call me back. You can come. My apartment now is small, but we can still manage it. He said, she now said, really? Say, yes, come with your baby. She now relocates back to this her friend. They now started living there. And this her friend is someone that always travel because she still dey hustle. She dey travel from one country to another. So she will travel. He says sometimes 6 months she not go come back. Now phone, they always talk on phone. She's the one paying for that apartment. She's the one feeding this her friend with baby. She's the one closing them. She's the one doing everything with happiness. She's happy doing all this thing as if she's doing it for a sister. When her baby want to cut 1 year birthday cake, this girl came. She spent nothing less than 1,200 euro just to plan for her friend's son's birthday. She's the one doing everything. So he said she not tell this her friend, my friend, she just want to hustle some money so that she go quit hustle and come face her life. But she don't know how to save money. If she save money before something that she go pour and use them. You understand? So she don't enter this contribution of 18 before. They beat and put, they not give her money where she contribute. So she don't even know how to gather the money. He said her friend, cause yeah, you know me now. Say if I keep 1 naira, I say I no go touch them. I no go touch them. So he said this her friend cause say they bring the money, she go they hold them for you. So he said she just give her 4K wey just dey with her instantly. Say okay, go this one. As she dey come out, every 2 weeks, she go dey send money make she dey hard join that one. They can't agree like that. Can't tell and say if she just hustle for a year more, she go rest. Then can't start small business with the money so that she go look for man marry. He can't say okay. So this girl can't travel back to where she dey hustle. She dey send money every 2 weeks. He says sometime it go be 1,500. Sometimes it go be 2,000. Depends. Sometimes it go be 1,000. Depends how money take dey her hand. You understand? Now she they pay for her, so pay for video, take care of that her friend and her son. Now they understand me so. So this guy continue like that. Then when it's close to 1 year, he said she can't call this her friend. Can't tell her and say, my friend, she done the tire, her body not be firewood. She go like to quit in 2 months' time. She said before that, there was one time she was very sick. For a month, she not go hustle. She not get money for her. She can't call her friend say, I beg you, I go need small money, like 1K or 1.5. May send call for them. May she take gather herself before she go start hustle. He said the friend can say, no, you know, saying tell you this money, nothing will go make you touch them. You must use them for what you want to use them for. I bet my friend, just try to manage. I know say that your money, oh, but I just a hold them for you. Not just worry, God will give you this strength, you go there here. Say she can still look and say, wow, this my friend really good though. Just they behave like mother. You not really want to make her use this money for another thing. You just they happy. You understand? So he said when he can't remain 2 months, he can tell and say, my friend, 2 months time, he go quit oh, in the come home, he don't tire. He just want gather small money where she go take do shopping, do different things, buy few things where she go need. She know what plan for that one where they with you, because if she just come, she go just use that money, go to start business. You understand? You can say okay. So this her friend. So now she can tell her friend she go soon come. Her friend can say no problem. As this her friend, this mama baby now don't know say her friend go soon come. Now she come up for this girl apartment. She go rent another apartment for herself. Furniture room. Come camp one bobo for house. So her friend can say before that 2 months, if she dey call am, you know they pick her call again like before. She go if they ask am, you dey pass stress, say no, wetin dey happen? He say nothing, she dey okay. Come say kind of you dey notice change, you know they pick her call like that. Before if you see her miss call, you go return. This time no dey do that. Say you can say okay, no problem. Not be when she come back, this girl don't pack out from house. Come call. I think it's not there. I bet bill not there. My friend, where you dey? He said she dey her house. Ah, you dey your house? Where your house dey? He said, come give her an address. Now she can't go there. When she can't reach there, he don't they play love with one boboso. See, now she can't tell her, say, my friend, now when this kind of life starts, who be this bobo? He said, nah, a guy and a man where they go soon marry. Una go soon marry. How come? You not even tell them when una start to hide something for each other. Now they do all this to say, tell and say, you go see me because this one where they talk, say, no, you understand you. So now the guy house be this. He say, can't say, no, now she just rent the house. She go, how come? You know the one doing it. I say, no problem. If they happy, say you dey fine, your baby dey fine, you know. But una go talk because you just they fall her hand, you know. You not even tell her all those kind of things now. So he said, now she can't go back to her house. He said, but she not feel okay about it because how can a friend move out from her house without telling her? How can a friend, where they close her son, they pay her strength for her head, can't go carry house? She not dey work. How come? He said, now she can't go house. The next day, now she call her for phone, say, my friend, I beg go, try make you reach her side, make you bring that thing for him. He said, now you can't ask him, which thing be that? He said, come tell her, say, the money now. He said, he can't say, okay, no problem. He go come. Now she rest. Day break, she not see this girl. The next day break, she not see him. She go call her phone, she not dey pick her call. Later, she come block her line. If she call her phone not dey go, she block her for Facebook, block her for WhatsApp, block her for everywhere. She can't go their house, press bell, they no open. Wetin come dey happen? She don't know who she want talk to again. He said now she can't call the girl family for Africa. Come tell them, say, see wetin dey happen. She no offend their daughter. When their daughter go come block her over her own money, she need her money. Oh, see, he said the family come say, you give their daughter money. Their daughter not they call them. They don't even know whether she's still there alive. Say now she tell them, say yes. So how much? 18K, 18,000 euro. Now she give this her friend. So her friend don't sit down on top of 18K. So this one now come they talk to people when know the girl, and few people come they call her. Why you do your friend like this? Even that girl don't be your friend or your sister. Why you do her like this? Go give her money. She can't still they tell the people say her friend not give her money. Oh, she not they owe her money. Now they hear what they talk. So this guy deny flat 18K. He denied her flat. He said her friend not give her anything. He denied the money. He said she don't know what this girl they talk about. She don't know what this girl they talk about. So this girl, she said she dey frustrated. She frustrated. Apart from small money, we follow her come. He said she no get any other service apart from the one where she save for this her friend hand. And as she comes, so she do shopping for this her friend with her son. And the girl still get shame. When you know, say you don't plan evil against person, he still get the mind, take collect gift, collect everything where this her friend buy come for her and her son. She still collect everything after the evil where she plan. They say this girl, that they rush and they go hospital. If you enter hospital today, tomorrow you go come and next tomorrow you go back. Her brain, they burst. She dey frustrated. The worst part of it, you cannot prove this money. Because there is no proof. That is where she made mistake. Why me I dey flash una this news so? Now make una dey smart, make una dey learn. Oh. Even though say na your mama you want give money, oh, my sister, my brother, agreement need to dey, oh, you go sign paper. Oh. Yes, so borrow not the cost for market, paper dey everywhere. Oh. If paper not the right time for war, it go sign. This girl not get proof. She not get proof. She not fit draw the money. She not fit do anything about getting that money. She couldn't do anything to get the money. The girl was frustrated. But thank God, you know that saying that said that every disappointment is a blessing. In that point of rushing her to hospital, in and out of hospital, she met a man. She met this lovely man who is now her husband today. They have 2 beautiful children already. This man was a lifesaver. The man was the one that saved this woman. If not, she said maybe she would have committed suicide or something bad would have happened to her. But this man was the one that see her through that pain. He was the one God sent to wipe away her tears. He said she was crying night and day. No child, no husband, no money, and she don't stop hustle. Is she supposed to go back to hustle in this pain? No. But God bring the time out for her. Today, she's happily married. Then these are useless friends. So, where carry person money sit down top. Person will not work. He carry fine bobo put for house. He can't go use that money. Take open business. Can't go open one big shop. Like Africa shop, but they do different things inside. Both calling different things. Now they do inside. Say very big. He go open up. They come marry. They come marry. So he never took tay. She born for that man. Small time, they don't know what happened. They say AK boss for the shop. Now they package the man and the woman. What happened? They say they see Whitey for their store. Now they pack them. They see the shop. Government collect the children. Now they inside. For more than 2 years, they inside. For more than 2 years, they inside. Their 2 children, they with government. Sometimes, if God, they fight for you, you know, they even take long. Sometimes, they take long. That is why revenge is not good for you to revenge for yourself. Just leave them in the hand of God. God will judge them. The law of karma is very, 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 that is, you know, they judge, give fake judgment. It will give you according to your deed. That is it. Until now, they're still there inside. So you see, this life, you can never bring people down to climb. It doesn't work. It will not. Even if you started fine, smoothly, just know that along the journey, kata go full road, nyama go full everywhere go block. The road where small since it go turn to a nail and a scorpion everywhere. Yes. You think say you go destroy people, then you go they grow? No, it know they happen like that. It know they happen like that. I know by the time she go fit come out for inside there, shop go down turn to this thing now. Before she go come fight how to get children from government. It go hard. So I just bring this story here for people, for us, we ought to learn from it. Before you give anybody 1 naira hole for you, let there be proof. Writing, let that person sign. 2 of you will sign. It's very, very important so that if things go wrong along the line, you go fit draw your money, proof they. So they say good speaking, they learn from what happened to others. Now only the foolish one, the stupid one, I go wait, make the same thing happen to them before they go learn. So be wise, be smart. And this life, Just have it in mind though. Whether na 30 years relationship oh, na 50 years oh, friendship, one day betrayal must dey oh. Mama dey betray pikin, sister dey betray brother oh. Make una know, don't overtrust people. Know that friendship that is sweet today, if it collapse tomorrow. Okay? So be wise, be smart in your friendship. Sometimes we overtrust, and when people you overtrust crash that trust, it's very, very difficult to go through it because you don't expect it from them, because they are the people you trust very, very much. So be wise, my people. That is why I brought this video here. If you learn one or two things from this video, please give it a like. Share this video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be part of this. To all my returning subscribers, God bless you all, guys. I love you all so much. Please leave your comment at this video. We would like to hear your opinion. We would like to hear your comment. We would like to hear your say. If you have more advice to give to people about friends, also leave it there. God bless you all. Thank you all so much. Please share this video. Share it, guys. God bless you as you do so. Until I see you on my next video, I still remain your sister, your friend, Obidia Wanyoma. Thank you so much, guys. God bless you. Bye for now.